famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Most importantly, view those ads. Today we are cooking okra spinach. Okay, right. A disclaimer, I'm cooking okra for the very first time. Child, at this point, I didn't know what I was doing, but I always say, trust the process. We never fail to try. Sorry, we fail and try. However, we never fail to try in this channel, and we cook what we have in our houses. So, okra was in my house. I was like, girl, go miso. So, first of all, wash your spinach, baby girl. Wash that spinach. Let me not say it. This is okra, of course. I bought it from, I bought it there and was like, let me try and cook it. Of course, I'm going to cook my spinach the olden way or the traditional way. Sometimes I just I don't feel like eating your Woolworths type of food, I want to eat your rural girl type of morogo, type of spinach. You get, it's not all the time I want to eat fancy or cook fancy. Sometimes back to our roots. Okay, chop your okra. At this point, like I'm saying, this is for the first time I'm actually cooking this okra thingy. So I've never seen it inside the pot. I've never seen it. I only see it with my naked eye when it's like this. This is for the first time I'm buying it, first time cooking it. So, of course, nerves are on another level, okay? The same way when it is your first time of dating a new tribe. You've never dated a vendor guy. Hey, there comes a vendor man. Hey, there comes a Tonga man, a petty man. You, of course, now, stop acting like you don't know. You will have those nerves up to the sky. So, chop it nicely. One thing I can tell you about okra, it's slimy. Is it slimy? I don't know if it's the correct word. Comment down below. While we are chopping it, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. To our new subscribers, may the Lord bless you. Shame. You did a big thing out there. Right there, you did a big thing. Okay, inside water, warm water. After washing it, of course, you know that we are that deep when it comes to washing of the things. Don't cook things without washing them. I beg. You will not go into that relationship and start acting matlaba. Stop acting like a hooligan. No. All right, let it boil for a little bit, and after boiling it, put your spinach, your nicely chopped spinach, and then let's see how it goes. So don't judge us, and if you have ever cooked okra, please comment down below. Any ideas about it? I've never cooked it, but we are people of we like trying things, so. And there's nothing wrong with trying. And of course, it's cheap. I mean, it's less than 20 rand. Yeah. So one day we'll try okra soup. This is a Niger food I beg. Now I'm crossing over. Now I'm crossing over. All right. Let it boil for some time, for a few minutes. In the meantime, I'll be chopping my onion. Child. I don't like onions. They make us cry. Like Bafana the boys. Like, how many times must they make you cry, my sister? Until you say enough. Until you say enough. Enough is enough. Oh, I shall not cry again. My brother, you will not make me cry. Oh. You will not see my tears. You are like onions. Every boy make you cry. And you cry. My sister. We must pray. You and me must fast. We must fast together to say, God Almighty, this one that is coming shall not make me cry like an onion. My brother, how many times have they make you cry? We tell you, stop using onion. Stop looking for people who are not your types. You will cry. You will become an onion. You say, no, I like these ones. No. Gel with your type. Anyway, chop, and chop. Make sure that you chop nicely. In this house, we know that chopping is an issue. And one thing I like about you, famies, you have accepted me. You never judge me. You just watch and never judge. But one thing, guaranteed. Our chopping always come out nice. It doesn't matter. the way we start. Our very old onion. You know what? Let me tell you something. You see how old this onion is, ne? My sister, age is just a number. My brother, age is just a number. Don't look at yourself and judge yourself and say, hey, my 2000 are taking over. The 2Ks are taking over. I'm older. Hey! Bath. Look nice. Age is just a number. You see this tomato, it still have its own purpose, regardless of how old the tomato is. It still has its own purpose, and we used it. Sis. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Now, few minutes later, of course, this is how it looks like. It's already slimy, child. We are here for that slimy thingy. If you are a Nigerian and coming across this content, I beg my sister advice further, because this okra thing we see it from you. Then that is when I took a little bit of taste. Isn't it that when you are in a talking stage with the guy, talking stage, he must take you to Mark and Bean for taste, to see, is he eatable? Are we gonna chop money? Or my brother, take care and say, pay for the bill and see if she's eatable. Or let me not say. Now, put your chopped onion, tomato together. Siyahlanganisa manje. Ayanqonqoza. Oh, let me not sing because they will flag this video, child. YouTube is not playing. So yeah, you told your uncle to say, my uncle, there's this guy, he has interest in me. He was like, no, Kopancha, make everything meet. Let people meet. Let us see. You see, everything is meeting together. The uncles are meeting. The aunties are together. You and your guy. You and your guy are together. You are together. We can see that. No, this we thought it was going to end in tears, but it's not ending in tears. Everything, you ticked all the boxes, is about to go down, okay? Now, make it sure that it cooks. Now it starts to look good. You see, come on. When I tell you, trust the process, my sister. Be patient. That guy is coming. Be patient. Stop being difficult. He's coming. You see, the same way that the spinach was coming. He is definitely going to knock with a bags full of money. Just that you're in a hurry. Relax. So mix everything together. You can see that our tomato is blended. Child. Onion blended. Well blended. Spinach. If I tell you that this was one of the nicest home, like it gave not fancy vibe, like, one of those morogo, one of those spinach, one of those, the way our grannies used to cook. So I tasted a little bit. There was not enough salt. If you know, in this house we don't use salt. We don't like salt. Arate matswai, okay? And matswai is not part of our portion. Letswai le tsena ka ra rice, letswai le tsena ka ra stampa, letswai le tsena ka ra bogobe. Bona le batho ba tshela bogobe letswai. A ke nyako o kry-a ba re wa peile o tshela letswai ka ra spinach. Lokela cube mogele. Chela cube or use aromat. What is your problem now? Letswai le nyaka mo dilo. Letswai ya sentro tshwantse bilo o thakane le yona. A o tshwanela o kopana le letswai. Anyway, tomato paste to give it a little bit of volume. You remember we had 3 tomatoes, but I was like, I'm a girl and I'm allowed to change my mind, okay? So we added a little bit of tomato paste. Make sure that you don't put this is a traditionally made spinach. So please, I beg, don't put your powder soup, packet soup, whatsoever. Everything is Woolworths type of a food. Woolworths type. Sometimes go back to your roots and eat nice, I beg, nicely so. So mix everything together. Now it's about to be a wedding day. The wedding day is coming. Everyone is content and intact. Okay. What is this thing? Chili garlic, of course, with my wholesome stock. Is it stock or butter? Wholesome something. Yeah, wholesome something. I'm no longer a big fan of cooking oil. I try by all means to like it's about cholesterol. In as much as life is expensive and can be hard, sometimes we try by all means to eat healthy because I don't know. Life is very expensive. We try by all means to eat healthy, and when we try to eat healthy, we must also reduce certain things such as oil and so forth. Now we are done. This is how it looked like. Oh, child, when I tell you that we enjoyed, it's an understatement. Ooh. I. Yeah, that again. Femi. No, listen, it gave. This was nice and the best. So this is the end of our video. Thank you very much for watching. Until we meet again, famies, may God bless you, bless your hands, bless your children if you have them, child, bless your job. Until we meet again, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video, guys. Subscribe. How many times? Why are you watching without subscribing? Support your sister, I beg. Bye.